Confidence isn't something you're born with, it's something you build every day. And today, I am proud to stand before you as a fluent speaker.
Have you ever felt that you can understand English when you read it or hear it, but the moment you try to speak it, your mind suddenly goes blank, your confidence drops, and you start thinking too much about grammar, pronunciation, and mistakes, and because of that, you stop yourself from speaking freely? Well, if yes, then you are not alone, because this is the most common problem among English learners all around the world. And today, I'm going to guide you through a powerful daily method that you can follow at home to speak English every day, improve your fluency step by step, and boost your confidence fast without any expensive classes, without any complicated grammar rules, and without needing a perfect teacher. Because the truth is, fluency does not come from memorizing books. It comes from daily practice and how you use the language in your real life. So let's start with the first and most important mindset shift you need to understand. Stop trying to be perfect, because perfection kills fluency, and start focusing on communication, because even broken English that is spoken confidently is far better than perfect English that stays inside your mind. Now, the first daily habit you must build is self-talk in English, and this is extremely powerful. When you wake up in the morning, instead of thinking in your native language, just start describing your actions in English, like, I am waking up, I am feeling fresh, I am going to brush my teeth, I am preparing for my day, I am going to study, or I am going to work. And at first it will feel strange and slow, but after a few days your brain will slowly adjust, and English will start becoming your thinking language. Next step is the mirror speaking technique, where you stand in front of a mirror and speak to yourself like you are talking to another person. You can talk about your day, your dreams, your goals, or even simple topics like, my favorite food is pizza, or I like watching movies in my free time. And when you speak in front of the mirror, you automatically become more confident because you start observing your expressions, your body language, and your pronunciation. Now, another very important method is one-topic speaking practice, where every single day you choose one simple topic like my family, my school, my best friend, my favorite hobby, or my future goals, and you speak continuously for 1 to 3 minutes without stopping. Even if you make mistakes, you should not stop, because stopping breaks your flow, and flow is the real key to fluency. And if you don't know what to say, just keep explaining in simple sentences like, I like my family because they are very supportive, I enjoy spending time with them, we watch TV together, we eat together, and we talk about our day. Now, another powerful trick is shadowing practice, which is used by professional English learners. In this, you listen to a short English sentence from YouTube, podcasts, or movies, and immediately repeat it exactly the same way, copying pronunciation, tone, and speed. For example, if someone says, how are you doing today? You repeat it immediately. How are you doing today? And this improves your speaking, rhythm, and accent naturally, without any effort. Next, you should record your voice every day, because this is one of the fastest ways to improve. When you record yourself speaking English and then listen to it, you will notice your mistakes clearly, like pronunciation issues, hesitation, or missing words, and instead of feeling bad about it, you should feel motivated, because now you know exactly what to improve. Another important habit is thinking in English throughout your day. For example, when you are eating, think, I'm eating rice. This is very tasty. When you are walking, think, I am going to the shop, the weather is nice today. And when you practice this regularly, your brain stops translating and starts directly forming English sentences, which is a huge step toward fluency. Now, let's talk about confidence, because many people actually know some English, but they cannot speak because they are afraid of mistakes or people judging them. But you must understand that mistakes are not your enemy. Mistakes are your teachers. Every wrong sentence teaches you something new. So instead of stopping yourself, speak freely even if it is not perfect, because fluency comes from practice, not from silence. Another thing you can do is daily 10-minute speaking routine, where you divide your practice into small parts, like 2 minutes self-talk, 3 minutes topic speaking, 2 minutes shadowing, and 3 minutes free speaking. And the small routine, if done daily, will completely change your speaking ability in just a few weeks. Consistency is more powerful than long study sessions. Even 10 minutes daily is enough, if you do it properly. Now, imagine after 30 days of doing this practice every day, you will notice that you are thinking in English, speaking more naturally, and not stopping yourself every time you want to express something, and after 60 days, your confidence will increase so much that you will not fear speaking in front of others, and after 90 days you will see a real transformation in your fluency level. But remember, the key is daily action, not motivation, because motivation comes and goes, but habits stay. So making your speaking a part of your daily life, just like brushing your teeth or eating food, and slowly it will become automatic. So from today, don't wait for the perfect moment. Don't wait for perfect grammar. Don't wait for confidence to come first. Instead, start speaking right now with whatever English you know, even if it is small, even if it is simple, because every word you speak is a step forward, and if you stay consistent with this method, I promise you that your English speaking will improve faster than you ever expected, and you will finally feel confident speaking English at home, with friends, or anywhere you want. So start today, speak every day, and build your confidence one sentence at a time.